Hello everyone! StoreSEO now lets you optimize your store's documentation. Let's find out how to use the app for this purpose. First, you have to create your store's docs with Better Docs for Shopify. Now open the StoreSEO app. Navigate to the Optimize SEO tab under StoreSEO in the left side panel. Select the Docs option. From the list, hit the Fix Issue button beside the doc that you want to optimize. In the optimization screen, you will find the SEO Score, Basic SEO Analysis and Detailed SEO Analysis on the right side. Let's start optimizing the doc. Make sure the chosen focus keyword is unique. Click on the Keyword Analytics button to check the search volume, CPC, etc. StoreSEO will suggest several related keywords. Next, the meta description should contain the focus keyword and be within 160 characters. Then, use the focus keyword in the alt text of the doc's featured image. Let's address the other SEO analysis criteria by editing the doc from Shopify. Ensure the doc content contains more than 200 words, one external and one internal link are found, and so on. Back to the doc optimization screen in StoreSEO, click on the Sync Doc and then the Confirm button. As you can see, the SEO score has improved after making the suggested changes. Similarly, address other requirements, like placing the focus keyword in the doc's subheadings. Hit the Save button once you are done editing the doc. Just like before, click on the Sync Doc and then the Confirm button when you are in StoreSEO's optimization screen. Implement remaining suggestions, like using the focus keyword in the URL handle and others. Following all the optimizations, we have reached the highest possible SEO score. Hit the Save button once you are done. This is how easily you can optimize your store's docs created using Better Docs for Shopify using StoreSEO app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All the best to your e-commerce journey.